So if you are just starting out with the base, like learning stock market and investing into stock market, you might have encountered this guy's YouTube channel, Rachna Ranade, and also you might have encountered that she's selling her paid courses. Of course, like you can buy out, and if you can because she's doing a lot of hard work by putting out all of this content, then it's good. But if you don't have money and you want to learn, then I have a pretty great hack for you. And this hack is that you can get all these three courses and that too all for free. You just have to click the link in the description, which is a link to a folder, a mega folder, and you can go there and get something like this, which has all the content for free. And you can just get all the lectures, and that too for free. All the three courses, all for free. The link is given in the description. You can just check it out. Okay, and for what I am doing over here is I am using a service for shortening my links, which is known as growwithurl.com. I'll just go over here. I'll go to my dashboard. I'll paste there, generate, and I have my link. I'll say stock market, do the edit, and I get the second link, copy, and I'll paste that in the description. So do check it out.